Introduction to algorithms. First, let us understand what is the definition of an algorithm. An algorithm is a step-by-step procedure for solving a problem. The another definition of algorithm is an algorithm is a sequence of computational steps that transform the input into valuable or required output. So these are the two definitions of an algorithm. There are some characteristics or properties of algorithm. In total, there are 5 properties of an algorithm. The first one is input. The second one is output. The third one is definiteness. The fourth one is finiteness. Fifth one is effectiveness. So these are the 5 properties or characteristics of any algorithm. The first one, input. The algorithm must have input values from a given set. The second one, output. The algorithm must produce the output values from a given set of input. That is, at least one quantity is produced. Third one, definiteness. Each instruction of the algorithm should be clear and unambiguous. That is, there should not be any confusion in the given instructions. The fourth one, finiteness. The process should be terminated after a finite number of steps. That is, there should not be infinite steps to process the given problem statement. The last one, fifth one, effectiveness. Every instruction must be basic to process in less time. Every instruction must be basic enough to process in less time. That is, there should be a limited time in order to take the input and process it and give the output. So these are the 5 important characteristics of any algorithm.